When you open the box, you will see a pair of crossbars and all of the necessary hardware for the installation. Most probably, one of the bars is longer than the other one. If so, you must use the longer one to the front side of the vehicle. There are 4 front metal pieces and 4 rear pieces, which you will combine after putting the rubbers on. Put the 4 front rubbers to front metal pieces and the other ones to the back metal pieces. Pay attention to ensure that the uncut side of the rubbers faces the correct side of the metal parts. The rubber parts do not fit into the metal parts very smoothly. It's normal for you to need to apply a bit force. Combine front and back metal parts like it is combined here. Make sure that you inserted the rubbers correctly and uncut parts of the rubbers are facing each other's. Unlock and take the covers off. Make sure that you have this barrel nut in all 4 sides. Please also make sure that you have this plastic part in all 4 sides. Insert nuts inside the plastic piece on all 4 sides. Combine 2 washers with 2 screws for each side. Then place them into the metal parts which you combined before. Later, you should install them onto crossbars. You can support the nuts inside with your finger if they are falling down. You must make sure that the horizontal screw is inserted all the way in. Otherwise, you will not be able to tighten it. Insert the screw all the way in and then push the brackets in too. See the left and right signs under the mounts. Place the bar as L will be the driver's side and R will be the passenger side. The rubber side must face up and front. After you place it, make sure that the horizontal screw is all the way in. If the brackets doesn't catch your roof rail, loosen these 2 screws below to make it wider. To prevent the nuts at the back from falling, you'll find it easier if you hold them with your finger. Tighten the screws just enough for them to stay in place. Do not tighten them completely. Do the same for the other side and other bar. You can adjust the bar's position before you continue to installation. Tighten the bottom screws by 50%, then move to the other side and tighten them by 50% too. Then come back to the first side, tighten them fully, and tighten the upper horizontal screw fully too. Do the same for the other side. Look at the left and right signs on the covers and place them. Make sure that they are on the unlocked position. Otherwise, you will have problems while closing the covers. If you are having trouble closing the covers, even though they in the unlocked position, you may have over-tightened the 2 screws below. Remove the cover, slightly loosen the screws, and try again. If you have any missing parts or having troubles on the installation process, please send us a message so that we can help you on the issue. Safe travels!